The cinnamon plant has been tied to protection and prosperity. It's said to have been part of a mixture of oils used by grave-robbing bandits to protect themselves during the plague in the 15th century, and, traditionally, it's also associated with the ability to attract wealth. If you were lucky enough to have cinnamon during ancient Egyptian times, you were considered a wealthy man. Records show that the value of cinnamon might have been equivalent to gold. These are just a few of the benefits. 1. Soothes cold symptoms. Anyone who has ever had a cold or the flu knows how hard it can be to breathe with all the congestion and other unpleasant symptoms. Cinnamon oil, consumed and applied, can quickly provide relief. 2. Diabetes-fighting agents. Studies have shown that cinnamon is one of the best spices to combat uncontrolled blood sugar levels. 3. Relieves arthritis. Patients with arthritis and bone ailments can gain instant relief by applying cinnamon oil to the affected areas. This natural remedy stimulates blood flow, which decreases inflammation, provides soothing relief, and increases mobility. 4. Combats skin infections. Cinnamon oil is easily absorbed through the pores of the skin. Applying this antibacterial solution regularly can improve many types of skin irritations, especially athletes' foot and psoriasis. 5. Reduces fatigue. Cinnamon oil massages are effective in relieving symptoms of physical and mental fatigue. Its compounds improve blood circulation and enhance the flow of oxygen to the brain, where energy can be optimized. Now let's proceed to making your own cinnamon oil. Ingredients: 12 cinnamon sticks, 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil 200 grams, 1 airtight glass jar. Instructions: place the cinnamon sticks inside the glass jar. Add olive oil, and ensure that all sticks are well coated. Seal the jar and store it in a warm place for 2 to 3 weeks so the product can concentrate. Shake the jar daily so the cinnamon extracts and oil are thoroughly mixed. After at least 2 weeks, separate the remains of cinnamon using gauze. Finally, pour the cinnamon oil into a dark bottle and store in a cool place. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.